So, this is how the rotary table works. At the crank, and it's gonna turn it across the cutter. And it works. This was never designed to be a rotary table, which means it wasn't ever meant to be driven to make a cut. It was intended to be a rotary positioner, so like the mini table, which is completely clamped down when it's in use, so it's rigid. There's a play in the, there's nothing to hold this really hard against the table. So, and it creates some chatter, obviously. But to minimize it, I just hold this as hard as I can while I rotate the, turn the crank and rotate the part. So, yeah, it works. It's good enough. These trunnions aren't ever meant to be a real smooth operation. They're just meant as a positional aid, and once you set it, you'll lock it down, and you're done. So this will be just fine. So I'm going to make a cut. Raise the table a little to get a cut, and machine. So, now to make the corresponding cut in the opposite trunnion, I pull the index pin out a bit, then loosen the locking bolt. This frees up the rotary table to be rotated, but also it clamps it tightly against the table when it's locked in position. So it does a better job of that than the other side. So I'll rotate it 180 degrees, find the appropriate gear tooth, and then I kind of snug it, and tap the pin in to make sure it's well seated, and then tighten it. Now we're ready to make the other cut. Hey, let's get it on the right tooth. That would have been a mess. That should be better.